Definitely don't see this in Florida. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on the video and joining me today on today's adventure. As you can see from the setting, we are not in Florida. We're actually back in my hometown. We are in Northern Virginia, Fairfax County to be specific. And today's trip, we're actually heading west to the Shenandoah Valley, Skyline Drive to be specific. I think it's 161 miles total. I'm probably not gonna do the whole thing just because I left really late. I was planning to leave around 8 or 9 a.m. this morning. Ended up leaving around 11. So I'm probably not gonna do the whole thing. I'm just gonna take a nice relaxing stroll through Skyline Drive and then head back. Should make for a good day trip, some cool footage and nice roads to ride on. Oh man, it's so good to be back in the countryside. This is so crazy, you guys. It's so pretty out here. My goodness, look at these like rolling hills, wide open roads that have a little bit of twist in them. Beautiful weather. Well, at least this time of year it is. Give it a couple of months and it'll be unbearable here. It'll be freaking cold. But damn, dude, I freaking love it here. I mean, don't get me wrong, Florida's nice. There's a lot of things I love about Florida, but the one thing I don't like about Florida is riding a motorcycle in Florida. But this is so beautiful. So today, since the weekend's over, it's a Monday, it's my first day officially off of work. I'm so excited I don't have to work. And I'm so excited that I'm on these beautiful roads, man. And for today's trip, I decided to head to, like I mentioned earlier, to Skyline Drive. We have this beautiful mountainous road up in the Shenandoah Valley, in the Shenandoah Mountains. And actually, if you take the whole road down, it opens up and turns into the Blue Ridge Parkway. We got to the curvy part, you guys, and these are definitely way curvier than I remember. So I gotta just watch it and, you know, have fun. And like they say, when in doubt, or I don't know if they actually do say that, lean into the turn harder. don't hold the damn brakes, you know, just lean harder, I guess. Like this one is it's like a U-turn. So let's see. The nice thing about it is they're actual, like they're big wide turns, but then you get some tight ones. But yeah, no, it's beautiful, man. Alright, let's see, it's telling me to take a right here. To Skyline Drive, alright, beautiful. Welcome to Shenandoah National Park. They're gonna make me pay like 30 bucks or something like that. 25 bucks. It's okay, it's worth it. Hello, how you doing? Good. What was it, 25?
25 a buck.
All right. Here you go.
Okay, and get change.
Thank you. Are there any gas stations inside?
Gas stations, yes. And only gas station is going to be about 20 miles south.
Okay. 20 miles south?
20 miles south.
Okay. Have a great day. Alright, so he said nearest gas station is 20 miles south, or he said the only gas station is 20 miles south, so I guess we're going south on Skyline Drive today. Making sure that dude's okay. Oh, you guys, so pretty! It is unlawful to feed the wildlife. At least unlike Florida, it doesn't say, do not molest the alligators. Alright, we gotta watch out for deers. I'm just gonna ride until I see a gas station. You can already feel it. It's like 10-15 degrees cooler here. I literally can feel it. Wow, you guys, look at it to the left. And we're heading into a tunnel. Oh, baby. Brap, brap. I don't know what I just hit, but I did something pretty stupid. It's okay. I don't know what happened, but I kind of hit the kill switch and hit it back on, and the bike didn't die. I don't know why I hit the kill switch. I thought it was the light switch. I got confused, I guess, from the excitement. Oh, beautiful, man. Look at that. My ears are popping. I wish this dude would let me pass. I passed him anyway. Yeah, like, I don't know what to say, to be honest. I'm just in awe right now. Especially, bro, like, coming from Florida is amazing. I don't know what to say other than that, and just kind of enjoy the beautiful scenery and these beautiful roads. I'm sure glad I wore my vest because it's a little chilly. I did get a kind of a big flannel in case I needed it, and sure enough, I believe I do need it. It's almost hard to like not look, you know, through the overlooks and the beautiful scenery. But then you gotta also careful and, you know, focus on these curves. Ouch. Freaking like bugs be flying and hitting me in the arm and shit, and it hurts. Come on, big man, you gonna let me pass or what? Yes, let me pass. Mommy. Thank you, bro. Alright, so I'm kind of making my way back. I went as far south as my GPS told me to. Unfortunately, my battery died. Rookie mistake, you know. I didn't realize that I was talking for like 5 minutes until I looked at the mirror and saw that the GoPro was turned off. Anyway, so I got to where I wanted to go, you know, where I had set the GPS. Yeesh. It's a big ass fucking bee. Looks like a queen bee right there. I got to that gas station that the park ranger mentioned, and I passed it, went another maybe 20 miles or so, and looked up and it looked a little cloudy. So I thought to myself, and it's already 2 p.m. I haven't had breakfast, no lunch yet. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna make my way back. That was a lot of fun. Great roads. It's amazing views. I might stop at one more overlook that I've been wanting to see, and probably make it back home. Ouch. That was weird. There's a Mini Cooper over there that kind of ran into the sidewalk at the visitor center. Well, I'm gonna stop here at the visitor center and visit the bathroom. Alright, so we just got out of the visitor center. It was pretty nice. Had a lot of souvenirs. And I think we're gonna make our way back now down the mountain. Only problem is, like that same issue that I was having earlier, is that there is no service, and so guess I have to find my own way home right now. But I'm just gonna go down the mountain on the same road, you know, like Skyline Drive, all the way down to the national park entrance, and hope that I get some sort of service out there, and you know, make my way back to the city. It's about 85 miles. Ooh, wow. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was a rock. That was literally a rock that hit my helmet. I don't know if I caught it on video, but if I did, I will replay it right here. But ouch. Glad I didn't have my visor open. I'm gonna stop here. This is so pretty. Oh, wow. This is so pretty here. Wow, you guys, look at this. Definitely don't see this in Florida. Wow. You know how when sometimes it's just so beautiful and you'd be like riding or talking or whatever, just like I was, and then all of a sudden kind of catches your eye and you're like, all right, I'm gonna stop here. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna make any more stops. Time to head back. You know, when I first started riding motorcycles, I only came up here once, because, you know, like I used to live here, like in the Northern Virginia area before moving down to Florida. And now I really regret that I only made it up here one time before. You know, at the time when I first started riding, I had a Kawasaki Vulcan, and then I bought a Yamaha Striker. Actually, that's a lie. I made it here twice. I made it once with the Kawasaki and another time with the Yamaha, but I should have came more often. Only thing is, at the time, I don't think I was into long distance riding. I was kind of more of a coffee shop to coffee shop hopper, or however you want to say it, but that's why, like, I never really used to go out and do any sort of long distance riding. So 100 miles for a day's worth of ride was considered way far from me. And at the time, you know, I was in my early 20s. All I cared about was, you know, getting on my bike and going fast or whatever. Never thought about, you know, like enjoying the scenic routes, enjoying the mountain overpasses, all that stuff. And as you grow older, you tend to like appreciate these things a little bit more, you know, being out in nature, especially that I moved down to flat ass Florida. Now I appreciate these areas a little bit more, so I am very grateful and thankful that I was able to actually come out here with my beautiful 2020 Street Bob and get to enjoy this. And hopefully I'll be able to do it again someday. You gonna let me pass, homie? Maybe? Maybe not. Well, I'm gonna pass anyway. Sorry, I had to. Just go way too slow. It's a big big van. I'm not gonna get stuck behind it for like an hour. Yep, still no service. That's fine. It's so pretty, you guys. I love it. I love it so much. Especially that it's a weekday. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, it's a Monday. There's not a lot of traffic like there would be usually on a weekend or a Sunday or something. Being that it's a weekday and there's less traffic, it's such a weird feeling because you feel super secluded, even though you'll see a car every once in a while, but it feels so secluded. You feel like you're all by yourself out here, and it's a little bit nerve-wracking just because you start to think, okay, what happens if, you know, something happens to me? There's no service, there's nobody else out here to help you out, but there's still like that sort of like rush about it, or I don't know, good feeling about being able to come out and achieve this on your own and be like, all right, I'm gonna take this solo road trip, jump on the mountains, you know. And so truly grateful that I'm able to do that. And honestly, one thing I'm super grateful about, which had been probably one of the hardest things today, is not checking my email for work. Trying my best not to check it, and I haven't checked it so far, and I don't think I'm gonna. I told my coworkers and my boss, hey, if you need me, text me. Haven't gotten a text from anybody, so probably means they don't need me, you know, which is good. Oh, beautiful curve. Yeah, buddy. Wildlife in the roadway, slow down. Where's the wildlife, man? Show me a bear from afar. Eek, so pretty. It's like you're above the clouds here, man. Elevation 3100, I guess. Well, all right, so we made it down the mountain. Service is back. Right there, you see it, Washington, D.C.